Welcome to Brain Spree World. Today, we're playing Guess the Planet. But before we launch into space, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a Brain Spree adventure. So let's begin. Guess the planet. A rocky planet, third from the sun, the only known planet with life. 71% covered in water. Has a breathable atmosphere rich in oxygen. Earth. A rocky planet, fourth from the sun, known as the Red Planet because of rusty iron in its soil. Has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Possible past presence of liquid water. Mars. A gas giant, fifth from the sun, largest planet in the solar system. Has the Great Red Spot, a massive storm bigger than Earth. Has over 90 moons. Jupiter. A gas giant, sixth from the sun, famous for its beautiful ring system made of ice and rock. Has over 80 moons, second largest planet. Saturn. Ice giant, eighth from the sun, strongest winds in the solar system, up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. Deep blue color due to methane in its atmosphere. Farthest planet from the sun. Neptune. Rocky, terrestrial, planet. First from the sun, smallest planet in the solar system. Has almost no atmosphere, causing extreme temperature swings from hot to freezing. A year lasts only 88 Earth days. Mercury. Rocky planet, second from the sun, hottest planet due to thick atmosphere trapping heat, greenhouse effect. Spins in the opposite direction to most planets, the sun rises in the west. One day is longer than a Venus year. Venus. A ice giant, seventh from the sun, rotates on its side with a 98 degrees tilt. Coldest planet in the solar system. Has faint rings. Uranus. Bonus round. Guess the dwarf planet. Location. Kuiper Belt, beyond Neptune. Once considered the ninth planet until 2006. Has 5 moons, the largest is Charon. Surface is made of ice and rock, with mountains of frozen water. Pluto. Location: Kuiper Belt. Diameter: approximately 1,960 kilometers, elongated shape, spinning so fast that it's stretched into a football shape. Has a ring system, rare for such a small body. 2 moons: Hi'iaka and Namaka. Haumea. Location: scattered disk, outer solar system, slightly smaller than Pluto but more massive. Its discovery led to Pluto's reclassification as a dwarf planet. Has one known moon, Dysnomia. Eris. Location: asteroid belt, between Mars and Jupiter. The only dwarf planet located in the inner solar system. Contains a large amount of water ice beneath its surface. May have had salty water plumes in the past. Ceres. Location: Kuiper Belt, one of the brightest objects in the outer solar system. Has a very thin atmosphere of methane and nitrogen. Recently discovered to have a small moon. Makemake. Thank you for playing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more brain spree adventure.